Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change LinkedIn headline. Your LinkedIn headline is the text underneath your name, picture, and background photo on the profile page. By default, the headline is the same as your current or most recent job title, word for word, but it doesn't have to be. If you want to make your headline something other than just your job title, in most cases, we recommended this. Here's how to do it. Starting from your feed page, go to your personal profile by clicking on your picture. If you click on the one at the top, you'll then also need to select View Profile. Then click the gray pencil to the right-hand side of your name, not the blue one above it, which is for changing your background image. On the Edit Intro, scroll down to Headline. Then write your new headline in the box beneath and click Save in the bottom right-hand corner or desktop at the end of the screen on mobile. It's as simple as that. However, coming up with a great headline that makes your profile stand out to hiring managers is a bit tougher. Firstly, be aware of LinkedIn mistakes that could make headline readers think twice before clicking on your profile. Once you've updated your headline, check it afterwards for these red flags. Generalizations. Example, hardworking, team player, or etc. Second, spelling mistakes. Spelling errors suggest a lack of attention to detail. Third, keyword stuffing. Add a few keywords if relevant, but don't go overboard. And fourth, out-of-date job titles. If you're no longer in the role mentioned on your headline, change it. When these basics are taken care of, turn your attention to writing something that will make anyone reading the headline sit up and take notice. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.